If you cannot transfer large files to your USB drive because of size limitations, this video will walk you through how to fix this issue quickly and easily. So, why are you seeing the file too large for the destination file system error? This happens when the flash drive uses FAT32 format, which has a strict 4 GB file size limitation. To see what's causing the issue, right-click on your USB drive and open Properties. In this case, my flash drive is using FAT32. To fix this, we need to convert the USB drive from FAT32 to NTFS, a file system that supports much larger files. Alright, open Command Prompt as administrator. In Command Prompt, type convert, then add a space, and type your drive letter followed by colon. In my case, I have D letter. After that, type a space, then /FS:/NTFS. So the full command should look exactly like this. Once you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard. Windows will now start converting your drive from FAT32 to NTFS. Once you see the message conversion complete, close Command Prompt and check Drive Properties again. As you can see, it shows NTFS and you can now copy your large files to the drive without any errors. So, this is how you can fix the file too large error when copying large files to a USB drive. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.